Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela ubak Preston Tensong ubadiru Menteri Babat Katanat Boarding ulaong maka sarkar Jela kelapa ya kemang pisah syaka sarkar Pedang hakabaide bagaji penbahaya kidam bat ban penklan cesyo ya gaji penmi boarding hakabaide baka ganal project ba Preston ulai tu baki kor kibaki penankam kidai nakari Japan hakabaka sarkar Pedang kala ajing menjer ban penankam ulaong ru baklai kiran bat kibami khmat nakari Japan bandan kajingan trilang Ulaong ru balada dankam ban penankam di kikor jokari Japan syikiwe pat kijaka kinsai kiran balada kiyo ekajing menjur nak sarkar Pedang kinsapet kumnuban le
nakaliang jongi nakaliang jongka jong kani nak ADP kani ka project nila prepare nila phase dari hakabang linyo la kumno kumnuru umbas saus pakulur South Park point something crores nak menta bangin ban maintain nang ka bangin plan bangin la itu ki program ki dissertation ki digitai yakin ki dam joni ka bakun tu ko mo pi ka dam iti ki wang tro nang ta KPK leska te kumba round South Park lur ke menta ka tender process kala sedang aga banga ka meskem ki ki benaki ndet benaki pun tinggal ayo Don ki teknologi mod ki machinery mentakum ketika kanal project mentani nisim napo Japan ki machinery kideng napo Japan kiba la certify group lemba ka Ministry of Power but the best machinery the best company is Japan ya kata nilai entai ka kanal project de kata kala don lemba de nak daw mo pi menne bagi keren bagi baru minister kalau mbak kerja keren jadi kalau kumnu bantuan kerja exchange program but kini ki technical expert juni ki professional juni haga baki kinwan chani mangi lejiti na mangila manang improve susu haga ni kamta pi ong road sector na pi ong power sector na pi ong oro ki sectors mangi kwa mania don ke combination baga mangila man yok na po Japan kanang man penmentoi ke state. No, see, for this one, because this is a new project. In Kanol it's a new project. But if need be, it depends on the recommendation from the technical expert. Lada kini kita technical expert kimpat umnur katangan pala bano. Let's say kanika old technology kaba ila let's say kapiak. Ya katangan mlak bano umnur. Like not lada don kan umnur kerja recommendation naka technical expert ya katangilangan. Diko. Our sector even on bangi keren baka jaikan ni keren pada keren. Nama pi kini reformation kani kalong kelawan pahin ke ministry jongka power. Dia kata mung pi kami minta ke skim ke bangi ong ka RDSS. Revamp distribution service system. Hapo ke jela megelam dia tangam megela ya. Haporo kawe pogoi ke jela hapo ke India bro. Kata kala adon apa? De hakabedei bat kumnu pada ban improve la say mentang ila don lepaka ila don la ka jongka hydro power project generation ka bangi ya penmi boarding mentakum ka dam ka bangi don menta kum ka leska nang ta kum ka thika tro ka bangi la don pa ka don pada ka we ka program ka bangi la kata ka bangi ong ka trip
hakabaide bagajing ajing mod jaka kan hontok kit bandan na do CMD Bapura haka MECL nakaleng ba Preston Tensong ulaong ba umpat kwa benkiran AA namarki habanyo ekajing menjer nakakan hon menteri Henry ula kuberru baka sarkar katrang bandan kajing kala bat bandan ki opisar ki Bapura ki ban pej berkimi ka MECL.
In fact that one is we already reached to the final stage of reformation of the MECL, and now I will not tell you right now anything because this has to be approved by the cabinet. If the cabinet agrees the proposal, of course we are already on the job, so hopefully by next cabinet meeting I will take up this issue. We really wanted to have a full dedicated professional in the MECL who can fully spend his time for the running and then the functioning of the MECL.
Can we say by appointing a full-fledged CMD, it will really create a turnover for the MTTC?
Because that is not the end of the story. We wanted to have, yes, in fact, CMD or means we can separate MD and chairman. That also, I'm telling you, I cannot say right now, but reformation will take place. I assure you that reformation really will take place. The topmost management level should be a full-time and a professional who can really run properly for the entire corporation. Because in the MECL we have 3 subsidiaries. One is transmission, number 2 is generation, and number 3 is distribution. So we need to have a full-time top management who can spend time and who also knows everything technically.
So can we say, sir, that the post of the CMD will no longer be taken from the IAS or the bureaucrats?
No,
It will
as
be
I said to you,
technocrats.
we are on the way to reformation. So right now, I cannot say anything unless the cabinet approve it. But of course, the cabinet now has been prepared. So in the next cabinet meeting, hopefully, I'll be able to take it up. And then once that is done, I will detail you about the reformation and then even the position of those people who will head the MECL.